Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing 5 best spinning reels, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Penn Battle 4 Spinning Fishing Reel. The Penn Battle 3 Inshore Spinning Reel is a powerhouse of strength, smoothness, and durability, earning its title as the 2020 ICAST Online Best Saltwater Reel. Designed for anglers who demand performance, this reel is built with an all-aluminum body and side plates, ensuring superior toughness against harsh saltwater conditions. The forged and machined aluminum spool features line capacity rings, giving you precise line management and confidence during intense battles. At the heart of its performance is CNC gear technology, offering a 5.2 to 1 gear ratio and recovering 22 inches 56 centimeters of line per crank, allowing for quick retrieval and smooth handling. Whether you're spooling with monofilament or braided line, the Superline spool ensures a secure attachment for versatility in your fishing setup. Equipped with 6 high-quality bearings, including 5 stainless steel ball bearings and 1 instant anti-reverse bearing, the Battle 3 guarantees ultra-smooth operation in any saltwater fishing scenario. The HT100 front drag system, reinforced with carbon fiber washers, provides an impressive 9 pounds, 4.0 kilograms, max drag, giving you the strength to handle large, hard-fighting fish without excessive wear and tear. With a right/left handle position, this reel is adaptable to any angler's preference. Whether you're chasing trophy fish or enjoying a day on the water, the Penn Battle 3 Inshore Spinning Reel is built to dominate every cast and retrieve. Number 2. Penn Spinfisher 6 Spinning Fishing Reel. The Penn Spinfisher 6 Spinning Reel is built for serious saltwater anglers, offering IPX5 rated water resistance and an all-metal aluminum body and spool for unmatched durability. Designed to withstand the harshest environments, this reel combats corrosion while delivering smooth and reliable performance. The Superline spool, featuring line capacity rings, allows effortless attachment of braided line for enhanced versatility on the water. Equipped with CNC gear technology, the Spinfisher 6 ensures precise and powerful retrieves. With a 6.2 to 1 gear ratio, it recovers an impressive 33 inches 84 centimeters of line per crank, making it ideal for fast-paced fishing action. Its robust mono and braid capacities support a variety of setups, allowing you to target a wide range of saltwater species. Smoothness meets power with 6 total bearings, including 5 stainless steel ball bearings and 1 instant anti-reverse bearing, ensuring fluid operation in high-pressure situations. The HT100 front drag system, reinforced with carbon fiber washers, delivers up to 15 pounds, 6.8 kilograms of max drag, giving you the strength to take on big, hard-fighting fish without fatigue. Available with automatic bail trip for sizes 2500 to 5500 and manual bail trip for sizes 6500 to 10500, this reel adapts to your fishing needs. Whether you're battling inshore species or offshore giants, the Penn Spinfisher 6 is engineered to dominate every fight. Number 3. Sougayilang Fishing Reel. The Sougayilang Spinning Fishing Reel delivers an unbeatable combination of smoothness, strength, and power, making it the perfect choice for both experienced anglers and beginners. Designed for ultra-smooth performance, this reel features 13 plus 1 corrosion-resistant ball bearings and an instant stop one-way anti-reverse bearing, ensuring seamless operation and solid hook sets. Plus, it includes an extra free spare spool for added versatility on the water. Built for durability, the Sougayilang spinning reel boasts precision brass gears, a hardened metal main shaft, and triple-disc carbon drag washers, providing the resilience needed to battle tough fish. The CNC machined aluminum handle is interchangeable for right or left-handed use, enhancing comfort and control. The superior drag system delivers exceptional stopping power, featuring a hardened main shaft, precision machined pinion gear, and perfect mesh drive gear for ultimate fish fighting capability. Whether you're reeling in a trophy catch or handling high-pressure runs. Number 4. Pflueger President Spinning Fishing Reel. The Pflueger President Spinning Reel is where performance meets value, offering smooth operation at an affordable price, making it the smart choice for any angler. Designed for versatility and reliability, this size 20 spinning reel features a lightweight graphite body and rotor, ensuring corrosion resistance and long-lasting durability. The aluminum handle with a soft-touch rubber knob provides a comfortable grip for both right and left-handed anglers. Engineered for efficiency, the slow oscillation gearing system and total line control system minimize line twists and wind knots, giving you superior command over any line type. With a gear ratio of 5.2 to 1, this reel recovers 20.2 inches, 51 centimeters of line per crank, offering smooth, controlled retrieval. The sealed oil-felt front drag system delivers a max drag of 6 pounds, 2.7 kilograms, to help you fight and tire out fish with ease. A 7-ball bearing system with instant anti-reverse ensures fluid motion and quick hook sets, enhancing your overall fishing experience. Number 5. Shimano 23 Sedona Spinning Reel. The Shimano 23 Sedona Spinning Reel delivers smooth performance, durability, and precision engineering for anglers seeking a reliable companion on the water. Weighing just 11.2 ounces 310G, this lightweight yet powerful reel features silent drive technology, ensuring ultra-smooth, quiet operation with minimal vibration. With a maximum drag force of 24.3 pounds, 11 kilograms, and a practical drag force of 13.3 pounds, 6 kilograms, the 23 Sedona offers superior stopping power, allowing you to handle hard-fighting fish with confidence. The gear ratio of 5.2 to 1 provides a maximum winding length of 105 centimeters per crank, ensuring quick and efficient retrieval. Its spool diameter of 54 millimeters and 17 millimeters stroke length enhance casting distance and accuracy, making it a versatile choice for various fishing conditions. The line capacity accommodates nylon, fluorocarbon, and PE lines, ensuring adaptability for different techniques. The 3+1 ball bearing system guarantees smooth, controlled performance, while the 2.2-inch, 55 millimeters handle length provides a comfortable grip for both right and left-handed anglers. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.